In this video, how to find system information, display and sound info, etc. Press Windows +R and type DirectX, click OK. The DirectX Diagnostic Tool window will open. It will take a few moments to gather system information. In the DirectX Diagnostic Tool window, you'll find several tabs providing information about your system. The tabs include System, Display, Sound, Input, and more. You can navigate through the tabs to view specific information related to each category. For example, the System tab displays details about your operating system, processor, memory, and more. The Display tab provides information about your graphics card and display settings.